front of me is Samsung Galaxy A55 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down, click on Permission Manager and decide which devices option you want to use. I will go with microphone. Now, after accessing it, you can pick one of those apps, like Chrome from Not Allowed section, and apply one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that my app just gained access to this device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always select one of those options. And after selecting one of your apps, scroll all the way down to access the All Permissions option. Then manage all of those features only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!